Hey buddy, today in this video we're making Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Let's begin. For the cut of beef we're using beef chuck, boneless chuck eye steak, and it's a little bit over 1 pound. For the beef chuck, boneless chuck eye steak, you can sometimes get it on sale for around $6.99 per pound, and it's also known as the poor man's ribeye. If you can't find this, you can always use just a regular ribeye steak. We're going to put the steak in the freezer for 50 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, it's been in the freezer for 50 minutes and now let's open it up. As you can see, it's a little bit more solid so we can cut it thinner. We're going to cut it into thin slices. And it should look something like this. Want very thin slices. There we go, we cut them all into thin slices. We're going to spread it out. We're going to add some garlic powder. Some salt. Some black pepper. We're going to flip it over. And do the same thing. There we go, we season both sides. We're going to put this in a bowl and put it to the side. We have here 1 yellow onion. There we go. Next, we're going to cut them into thin slices. Looking good. We're going to put this to the side. We have here 1 green pepper and we're going to slice it up too. Clean out the seeds. Now we're just going to cut them into thin slices. Just like that. There we go. I cut them shorter. Looking good. We're going to put this to the side for right now. Next, we'll need some ciabatta rolls, or you can use hoagie rolls. We'll need around 4. We have here some Kerrygold butter, and we're going to spread it onto the buns. There we go, we have butter on the buns, and now let's toast them. You can either toast them on a pan, or toast them in the air fryer. For convenience, we're going to put them in the air fryer. We're going to turn it on, and we're going to set it to 400 degrees for a total time of 3 minutes. And let's put it in. We're going to cook the first 2 buns first. We're going to put it in for 400 degrees for 3 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, the second batch is ready at 3 minutes at 400 degrees. Next, we're going to take some mayo and spread it on top. There we go. We heated up the pan. We add some avocado oil. Spread the oil around. Next, we're going to brown up the steak. Looking good. We browned up the steak. We're going to put it on the side for right now. Next, we're going to brown up the white onions first. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And then we're going to add the green peppers. Next, we're going to add the steak back in. Stir everything all up. Next, we're going to add some provolone cheese. There we go. We're going to cover it up and let it melt. It's been around a minute. We're going to turn off the heat. Now let's put it on the bun. Okay, this is what we have today, Philly cheesesteak sandwich. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.